Hey LinkedIn and Twitter communities, this is Service Pack Sean here. So I wanted to clue you in on an article I recently wrote for engineersrule.com. It's called Late Registration, What's Recently New in SOLIDWORKS 2018. So you might be thinking, I read the What's New documentation and I went to the rollouts that my reseller provided back in October of 2017. Nothing is recently new. Everything was in that document. Everything was presented on during that presentation. Well, the fact is, and I actually realized this myself fairly recently, that's not really the case. There are more than a handful of enhancements that were released fairly recently in recent service packs of the 2018 build for products that you use every day, like SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD, Visualize, Composer, Inspection, and more. That might be of interest to you. So what I did on engineersrule.com is I chronicled each of these enhancements, and I even wrote which build they appear in as well as their practical use value. So again, I encourage you guys to check that out. If you want, I also wrote an article, if you want to keep reading from there, I also wrote an article on how you can try the SOLIDWORKS 2019 beta software without ever downloading or installing it. So again, check that out. That's on engineersrule.com. Any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comments. Thanks, guys.